By age 50, most women have lost up to 30% of their skin's collagen, and after menopause, that rate doubles. A 2021 study published in the Journal of Dermatological Science confirms this startling truth. Collagen breakdown is one of the top drivers of skin thinning, sagging, and premature aging. But here's the good news: you can fight back. In this video, I'll show you the science, the stories, and the daily habits to rebuild your skin from the inside out. So don't click away. The top 5 hidden factors that age your skin. 1. Chronic inflammation, inflammaging. Chronic low-grade inflammation, known as inflammaging, plays a central role in dermal degradation. It disrupts the extracellular matrix, inhibits fibroblast function, and contributes to the breakdown of collagen and elastin. A review published in Nature Reviews Immunology, Franceschi et al., 2018, outlines how inflammaging leads to systemic tissue damage, including within the skin. Additionally, experimental gerontology, Pilkington et al., 2021, confirmed that persistent inflammation reduces skin regeneration, increases wrinkle formation, and accelerates dermal thinning. Inflammaging is fueled by multiple factors: environmental stressors, sedentary lifestyle, high-sugar diets, and oxidative stress. Controlling these inputs is therefore vital for long-term skin integrity. 2. Glycation and advanced glycation end products, AGEs. Glycation is a non-enzymatic process in which sugars bind to proteins, forming irreversible advanced glycation end products, AGEs. These molecules cross-link collagen fibers, reducing their flexibility and accelerating fragmentation. A study in the Journal of Investigative Dermatology, Dyer et al., 1993, was one of the first to demonstrate how AGEs accumulate in the dermis with age, impairing collagen function and contributing to skin stiffness and yellowing. Furthermore, a 2016 clinical review in Dermatoendocrinology, Kagalu and Bohm, highlighted how AGEs also induce oxidative stress and inflammation, further compounding dermal degeneration. High dietary intake of simple carbohydrates and processed foods has been directly associated with higher AGE levels. 3. Oxidative stress. Oxidative stress results from an imbalance between free radicals, reactive oxygen species, and the body's ability to neutralize them with antioxidants. In skin tissue, oxidative stress causes lipid peroxidation, DNA damage, and collagen degradation. The Journal of Dermatological Science, Shindo and Hashimoto, 1997, reported that oxidative damage is particularly severe in photoage skin due to UV-induced ROS production. A more recent 2022 publication in Antioxidants confirmed that cumulative oxidative damage is a primary mechanism of dermal thinning and wrinkle formation in aging skin. Antioxidants such as vitamin C and E, polyphenol, and coenzyme Q10 have demonstrated protective effects against ROS-mediated skin damage in both in vitro and in vivo studies. 4. Hormonal decline, estrogen and cortisol. Estrogen plays a vital role in skin physiology. It enhances collagen synthesis, improves hydration, and maintains skin thickness. After menopause, the rapid decline in estrogen leads to a reduction in dermal collagen content and elasticity. A 2021 study in menopause, the Journal of the North American Menopause Society, found that postmenopausal women had significantly lower skin elasticity and hydration compared to premenopausal women, primarily due to reduced estrogen levels. According to Climacteric, Sumino et al., 2004, estrogen replacement therapy can partially restore collagen density and skin structure in some cases. On the other hand, elevated cortisol, often caused by chronic psychological stress, exacerbates skin aging. Cortisol promotes matrix metalloproteinases, MMPs, enzymes that degrade collagen. This was substantiated by a 2019 study in experimental dermatology, showing how stress-induced cortisol impairs skin barrier recovery and collagen turnover. 5. Impaired autophagy and cellular waste accumulation. Autophagy is a cellular maintenance process that removes damaged proteins and organelles, allowing cells to function efficiently. With age, autophagy becomes dysregulated, leading to the accumulation of intracellular waste and oxidative byproducts. A 2020 review in Nature Reviews Molecular Cell Biology emphasized the role of impaired autophagy in aging-related tissue dysfunction, including skin. In dermal fibroblasts, reduced autophagic activity compromises collagen maintenance and accelerates senescence. Interventions such as intermittent fasting and caloric restriction have been shown to upregulate autophagy-related genes. For instance, a clinical trial published in Cell Metabolism, 2019, demonstrated that time-restricted eating, 16:8 fasting, improved markers of cellular repair and reduced inflammation in older adults, outcomes that are likely to benefit skin health indirectly. These 5 hidden aging mechanisms, chronic inflammation, glycation, oxidative stress, hormonal shifts, and impaired autophagy, are not simply theoretical. Each has been confirmed through rigorous, peer-reviewed scientific research. Contrary to popular belief, chronological age is not the only factor driving skin decline. The biological and environmental variables outlined above are far more actionable and therefore empowering. By applying strategies grounded in modern dermatological science, it is entirely possible to slow and in some cases partially reverse the skin aging process. These include dietary modifications to reduce sugar and ages, antioxidant supplementation, hormonal support where appropriate, and lifestyle interventions that enhance autophagy. In the next section, we will examine the structure and function of collagen in greater detail, evaluate the scientific evidence behind collagen supplementation, and explore the optimal protocols to restore skin strength and volume, all based on current research. The truth about collagen. Collagen is the most abundant protein in the human body, forming approximately 75% of the dermis. It provides structural support, elasticity, and hydration retention. However, intrinsic aging and environmental factors progressively degrade collagen fibers, resulting in skin thinning and wrinkle formation. Oral collagen supplementation has gained popularity as a non-invasive strategy to mitigate these effects. A 2021 meta-analysis published in International Journal of Dermatology reviewed 19 randomized controlled trials involving over 1,100 participants and found that hydrolyzed collagen peptides significantly improved skin elasticity, hydration, and dermal density over 8 to 12 weeks. Additionally, a 2022 study in Nutrients demonstrated that daily intake of 2.5 to 10 g of hydrolyzed collagen led to measurable increases in procollagen type I and elastin levels in the skin. These biomarkers are strongly correlated with improved skin structure and resilience. The effectiveness of collagen supplementation appears to depend on molecular weight, bioavailability, and co-nutrients such as vitamin C, zinc, and hyaluronic acid, which support collagen synthesis. Topical collagen products, in contrast, have limited efficacy due to the large size of collagen molecules, which are poorly absorbed through the epidermis. In conclusion, hydrolyzed oral collagen, when combined with essential cofactors, is a clinically supported intervention for improving skin health in aging populations. How sugar and inflammation destroy collagen. 2 primary mechanisms that accelerate collagen degradation in aging skin are glycation and chronic inflammation, both extensively studied in dermatological science. Glycation is a non-enzymatic reaction in which excess glucose binds to collagen and elastin, forming advanced glycation end products, AGEs. These AGEs disrupt the structural integrity of collagen fibers by inducing cross-linking, which makes them stiff, brittle, and prone to fragmentation. A 2016 review in Dermatoendocrinology confirmed that AGEs contribute significantly to dermal thinning, loss of elasticity, and increased wrinkle formation. Chronic low-grade inflammation, often triggered by oxidative stress, poor diet, and metabolic syndrome, elevates pro-inflammatory cytokines like IL-6 and TNF-alpha. These cytokines activate matrix metalloproteinases, MMPs, enzymes that degrade collagen and inhibit fibroblast activity. A 2020 publication in the International Journal of Molecular Sciences demonstrated that persistent inflammation accelerates collagen breakdown, impairs tissue repair, and weakens the skin barrier. Moreover, Elevated blood sugar levels amplify both processes, creating a feedback loop of glycation and inflammation that further damages skin structure. Targeting both pathways through diet, low glycemic index, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory nutrients offers a scientifically grounded strategy for preserving collagen and delaying visible signs of skin aging. Food and lifestyle solutions to support collagen production. While topical products may offer temporary improvements in skin texture, long-term preservation and regeneration of collagen requires systemic intervention. Mounting evidence indicates that specific dietary patterns, intermittent fasting, and non-invasive therapies can effectively stimulate collagen production and delay dermal aging. 1. Collagen-supported nutrition. Several nutrients are critical cofactors in the endogenous synthesis of collagen. Vitamin C acts as a coenzyme in the hydroxylation of proline and lysine, essential steps in collagen cross-linking. A 2017 study published in Nutrients confirmed that vitamin C deficiency impairs collagen synthesis and accelerates skin aging. Zinc is necessary for collagen gene expression and fibroblast proliferation. According to the Journal of Trace Elements in Medicine and Biology, 2020, zinc supplementation improves dermal repair and reduces inflammation. Amino acids such as glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline, abundant in bone broth, chicken skin, and marine collagen, are fundamental building blocks for collagen fibrils. Diets high in refined carbohydrates, trans fats, and processed meats, by contrast, increase the formation of AGEs, advanced glycation end products, and promote collagen cross-linking, leading to loss of skin elasticity. A Mediterranean-style diet, rich in olive oil, leafy greens, fish, berries, and legumes, has been associated with higher skin hydration and fewer visible signs of aging, as shown in a 2019 study in Clinical Interventions in Aging. 2. Intermittent fasting and autophagy. Intermittent fasting, is increasingly recognized as a strategy to trigger autophagy, the body's cellular recycling system. When caloric intake is reduced over a prolonged fasting window, typically 14 to 16 hours, cells begin to break down damaged proteins, including misfolded collagen, and replace them with newer, more functional structures. A 2019 review in Cell Metabolism found that time-restricted feeding improved tissue repair, reduced systemic inflammation, and activated longevity pathways, including those tied to skin regeneration. For older adults, it also helps improve insulin sensitivity, lowering glycation burden, indirectly protecting collagen from degradation. 3. Red light therapy, photobiomodulation. Red light therapy, RLT, also known as low-level light therapy, LLT, uses wavelengths between 620 to 750 nanometers to penetrate skin tissue and stimulate cellular activity. It activates cytochrome C oxidase, enhancing mitochondrial function and ADP production in dermal fibroblasts. A randomized controlled trial published in Photomedicine and Laser Surgery, 2014, demonstrated that RLT significantly increased collagen density and reduced wrinkle depth after 12 weeks of treatment. Moreover, red light therapy is non-invasive, FDA cleared for skin rejuvenation, and safe for home use in older populations. When used consistently, it supports collagen formation without disrupting the skin barrier or requiring recovery time. While collagen loss is a natural consequence of aging, its progression can be slowed or partially reversed through scientifically validated interventions. A collagen-rich diet, strategic intermittent fasting, and targeted light-based therapies represent a powerful trio for restoring skin firmness and resilience without surgery or synthetic treatments. These lifestyle-based strategies are not only effective but accessible, making them especially relevant for older adults seeking safe and sustainable ways to preserve skin health over time. The science of collagen regeneration is powerful, but what truly brings it to life are the women who apply it and see change. These are not celebrities or models. These are real women who made simple, consistent shifts and reclaimed the skin they thought was lost. Joanne, 63, the skeptic who gave a chance. Joanne had never believed in supplements. If it's not from food, I don't trust it, she said during her first consultation. But after learning about the 2021 meta-analysis showing hydrolyzed collagen's effects on skin elasticity, she committed to a 90-day protocol, 10g collagen peptides, vitamin C, and evening primrose oil. By week 10, her smile lines had visibly softened, and her cheeks felt fuller, not puffed, but like they remembered who they were. Her words, not mine. Maria, 70, rebuilding after menopause. After menopause, Maria's skin changed rapidly. She described it as paper-thin and constantly irritated. Her dermatologist prescribed a gentle skincare routine, but Maria also began red light therapy at home, 3 times per week, 10 minutes per session. At her 3-month follow-up, she noted not only smoother skin, but improved sleep and less joint pain. Studies have linked red light therapy with mitochondrial activation and tissue repair, which matched her experience. Carol, 78, starting late but not too late. Carol began her journey at 78, believing her skin was too far gone. But with a simple routine, collagen-rich bone broth, time-restricted eating, 14-10, and daily sunscreen, she noticed subtle changes. Her skin wasn't just smoother, she said it felt alive again. It took 6 months, but the change was steady and empowering. I don't want to look 40, she said. I just want to look like I take care of myself, and now I do. These stories reflect more than just skincare. They remind us that transformation isn't about perfection. It's about progress. Whether you're 55 or 85, your skin is still responsive. The question is, are you willing to start? Science now confirms what many women have long sensed. How you feel emotionally affects how you age physically. Chronic stress, negative self-talk, and emotional isolation don't just weigh on your heart. They visibly wear down your skin. In fact, a 2020 study in brain, behavior, and immunity found that people with higher perceived stress had significantly lower dermal collagen density, increased wrinkle formation, and slower skin healing. Cortisol, the body's primary stress hormone, suppresses collagen synthesis and delays cell turnover. In other words, what your mind carries, your skin reveals. Think of your skin like a mirror, not just of your health, but of your habits of thought. If you're constantly frowning at the mirror, criticizing every wrinkle, your nervous system perceives that as a form of attack. Over time, this mental inflammation becomes biological inflammation. The good news? Emotional resilience is trainable. Here are 3 evidence-based rituals to nourish both mind and skin. Gratitude journaling, 5 minutes per day, shown to reduce cortisol and improve sleep quality. Gentle morning movement, yoga or walking supports lymphatic flow and reduces systemic inflammation. Daily self-touch skincare ritual. Applying moisturizer mindfully activates oxytocin and parasympathetic tone, essential for repair. Aging gracefully isn't about denying change. It's about aligning your biology with kindness. When your mindset softens, your face often follows. Aging is a natural process, but how we age is within our control. By understanding the science behind collagen loss and embracing small, consistent changes in diet, lifestyle, and emotional health, you can slow and even reverse many visible signs of aging. You don't need to look young again. You just need to feel at peace in your own skin. Start with 1 step and let your body respond. Aging is inevitable, but regeneration is real. Take charge of your health and watch your skin bloom with the wisdom of your years.